Hello, so my name is Thibault Lemoigne. I'm the export manager for French timber. So we're here taking part in Cairo WoodShow for the second time. We're very happy with our participation. We are trying to help companies to export their wood products to Egypt. So we're here offering both softwood and hardwood products. And we try to get some good contacts in the importers and also the furniture industry in Egypt, which is a very interesting target for us and would be a good customer for our products. So we're very happy with our participation. We've seen a lot of interesting contacts today, and yesterday was also a very good day. So we hope that the rest of the show will be likewise, and we are looking forward to coming back each year and try to get some new contacts here in Egypt. Thank you.